Meow. Okay, so here's the closet that we're going to be putting a door on. It's a little small closet, just about 2 feet wide and a little over 5 feet tall. Remember, when everything else fails, try doing what the captain suggested. So let's get started on our door. Head out to the front porch where we've got all our materials. And just wanted to show off the little view here. Beautiful view of the river. Alright, so I got the pieces cut out for the frame. This is the basic gist of it. And so these are just little 1x4s. See, real skinny. So the reason I'm using those is because I want the door to be really lightweight. It's more just kind of decorative to cover the closet than utilitarian. So I got those cut to length. And then I got these little pieces. And then I went ahead and pre-drilled the cross pieces at an angle. So these pieces are drilled this direction like that because we're going to put screws from there into here. Alright, so I pre-drilled all of these with the only exception of the last piece here. I'm going to use these little metal brackets more for decorative purposes than anything else. I think they look real sharp. So let's go ahead and get this screwed in. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom piece. So I want to make sure you got this laying on a flat surface. Hopefully this surface is fairly flat. I don't think it's perfectly flat, unfortunately, but it's all I got at the moment. At least these two pieces need to be flat so they screws in nice and flush. Okay, so as you can see, we got the main frame screwed together, and that's just with all those angled screws, one on each side. And then, as I mentioned, I didn't put any on the outside piece in the inside corner because now we're going to use these little metal brackets. This is just more for decorative. I just like how they look. I like the little metal on wood look. So next I'm going to screw 4 of these in, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Now that we have the frame all put together with the little decorative metal pieces in the corners, now what I'm going to do, this is the smooth side of the wood. So I'm going to flip this over to the rough side because the smooth side is what's going to be out front visible. So then what we're going to do here now is we have these incense cedar pieces. They're made to line a closet. So you can see I got a big box of a bunch of those. And so what we did is I cut these in half. And then we're going to put these on this side, on the rough side, and make sure you got the smooth, we want the smooth side showing of this. So we're going to have, so right now you're going to see the rough side of this and the rough side of this. So when it's done, you're going to flip it over. And then you'll have this nice two-tone wood because you'll have like the tone of the cedar planks and then the other. And I think that looks really pretty because it kind of makes the color pop. And plus the bonus is the cedar smells real nice. So your coats and everything that you hang in the closet are going to smell real good. Alright, let's go ahead and put those on. Okay, now I've attached the closet door with the hinges. So as you can see, that's the back that once I screwed this all in, I just put 1 screw in each board, and these boards are tongue and groove, so they kind of go into each other, so 1 screw is good enough. But look how pretty it is on this side. So you got the two-tone nice wood and the little metal accents on the top and bottom, and then here's the hinges I used. Found these at a neat antique shop. And some good old school looking metal hinges. So I just put 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And now I'm going to put on some handle hardware and then a little latch. Okay, so all done now. As you can see, got the nice hinges. This is the little handle I put on. Decided not to go with a latch because it worked out just right so the closet sits snug. So when you close it, it just kind of stays closed. So no latch necessary. So there's our pretty little under the stairs closet. I'll back up here so you can see the full thing. I think it came out pretty nice. Alright, well thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope you'll subscribe to our channel and enjoy lots more fun videos on how to do little odd projects and whatnot. So I'll close here with a nice little view of the Umpqua River out of our front window.
Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that last video. And remember that while this guy may be non-essential, it's definitely essential to check out these other videos so that you can learn about some more fun projects you can do at home. Should I watch this one? Should I watch that one? This one looks really good. Probably watch that one first. You know, I know what I'll do. I'll watch all the Captain America Project videos. There you go.